Well, a Delray Beach business owner is dedicated to helping people make real connections during this difficult time. WPTV News Channel 5 Sabira Rayford shows you how she's using this pandemic to promote virtual wellness.
Jessica Pfeffer launched her new business in November.
It's basically like taking all the freelance people that are in the health and wellness industry and helping them, one, create their own events, but two, like just supporting them in any way that they need it to be supported.
It's called Real Connection South Florida, a business model that originally started as in-person, in-depth workshops into the world of wellness.
It was events at the Aloft Delray Beach. That's where I was having my day retreats.
After just a few months of retreats, COVID-19 caused Pfeffer's business to come to a complete standstill. Then a new idea was born.
I transferred the same mission and the same objective, but now it's an online subscription.
From cooking to yoga and art,
You get all these workshops that would have been done in person.
registration starts at $20 for the month of May. Pfeffer says she's even working on a kids camp version to help parents this summer.
Hoping to get more subscribers and allow it to build.
Reporting in Delray Beach, Sabira Rayford, WPTV News Channel 5.